Hello, you join me in the boot of my F30 today. I'm actually only filming this about 2 hours after the last video, but today we've got some coilovers, which Rockhouse is currently hammering on. So we're slamming the E34 today. You excited, little boy?
Yes. Yes, I am.
So, do you actually know what these coilovers are?
Not really. I actually googled yesterday. I couldn't find the code it says here. RA5202. He said it's like Raceland coilovers, but I looked for Raceland coilovers that look exactly like that. Couldn't find anything, so.
I guess they could be Racelands for something else.
They actually look really good. Like the strut is not fucking thin.
You're just gonna bury it.
Okay,
I'm so scared for my knee.
Oh.
Overarm, like under ball
Yeah,
swing.
but I don't wanna hold it, to be honest.
I won't hit it too hard. So, right, why are we taking everything apart right now? Explain.
Because I don't need this stuff.
So for those that want a better explanation than that,
Yeah.
so E34s are really shit because you can't just bolt in new coilovers. You can't just bolt in new suspension. So you actually have to weld.
As you can see.
You can see here, it has to be welded on. So people will often just sell the whole hub itself, and that's what he's done, but obviously he wants to keep his own discs and stuff, so now he's hammering an old brake caliper.
There we go.
I don't think you needed to do that hammering at all, did you?
I did. Now we need to take these 3 bolts off again, because I'm not gonna use this. Because it's just 3 bolts and the suspension just pops out. Let me hold it as well.
Wait, ow. You good?
Yeah.
Oh, it was just the tendon and nothing else. Fuck.
Oh, fuck. I'm 50 fucking kilos, bro. You're just lifting me, man.
You'll have an F30 and
it's like it's.
As you tell by Ian. No, but you know what I mean.
Well, you just get used to it. It's not okay. What's up with that?
Come on.
I wanted contact, but they're just so hard to find. They're not in the market, they're really ridiculously priced.
Hard contact.
She goes!
Piece of piss. Why is it a 22? Why is it so big? Just a bit. Let's have a look. It's the same. Why do I have 2 of the same?
What are we actually trying to do?
Do you want to? So, come in close. This
Don't know how
is
to get your shit to focus.
you twist, you turn the focus ring.
Z rings.
So there's an Allen key in here, which is literally just the body of the shock. And if you turn just the bolt by itself, it twists the whole body. So you got to put an Allen key in to hold it, and you got to like loosen it at the same time. And it's just weird. It's a
Right,
pain.
let me put this in.
And is there like a slot in that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So we bought what is it? Spark plug one?
No,
What, O2 sensor?
O2 sensor lamp. Jesus Christ.
You motherfucker.
Oh my god.
That's awesome,
WD solves all.
Sponsor us. I don't know what that battery
WD.
does.
Take the other one.
jack out.
Okay, so it's been a couple of hours since I last said anything. I had to ditch the other guys because I was getting my noggin all sorted out, getting my beard all trimmed up, you know, gotta look good for installing coilovers, I guess, I don't know. They've made a fair bit of progress. So the fronts are on. So it's got the craziest rake ever at the moment, and this is the highest they can go without the helper springs in. That might be a problem. Whatever. So now they're just currently stripping the interior at the back so I can reach the top mounts of the rear struts. And yeah, there's way less fiddling than there was with the fronts. So after this, it should be just in and out. Okay, so one side is in. If you can see, I don't know if it's, hopefully I can lighten that in post enough, but since we were kind of like just making sure we knew what to do. So I'm going to actually document this side. So, right, Rokas, so what do we need to do? It's pretty simple, right?
Yeah, it's pretty simple. 3 bolts in the top, and then
Yeah.
1 bolt in the bottom.
So where are the 3?
Down here.
Okay, and then...
I'm so sorry.
And there's 1 bolt in the back.
Yeah,
Maybe pops out.
and yeah, oh yeah, that's super easy.
Yeah.
How fast do you think you can do it?
The longest thing is taking the interior out.
Oh yeah, so the bit, if anyone wants to use this as a tutorial, first of all don't, because I've not done very well at that. But second of all, yeah, you have to just strip the interior at the rear. Like, she's done. She's all good, she's empty. So yeah. I'll do better install videos in the future, I promise. The pure technique on it.
Yeah.
So that's a 23 at the back.
Yeah, I don't know why it's so big.
That's a really random size. Look at this. Look, we're being so educational today.
And then you just...
Well, that was nice and easy.
Yeah. The other one didn't want to
So if you wanted to know how to take a rear strut out of an E34, it literally will take you about, I don't know, what was that? A minute? Like once you've done the interior, that's nothing. It takes no time at all. We've had these off before because it was on lowering springs. Couldn't really tell. Annoyingly, they didn't really drop it too much. So, but yeah, we knew how to do it all, and all the bolts were a little bit looser. So, given that it's an old ass car, if it's your first time doing it, yeah, they're gonna be a struggle. They're gonna be stuck. Right? Can we just show a difference in the size of this spring?
So,
Oh my god!
I can't even push it in. That's how low it is.
So you're like, that's 4 rungs of drop.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Obviously,
Are you excited for this?
I'm gonna put it up because
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is ridiculous.
Are you excited for this though?
Yeah. I'm not that strong. These are actually fucked. That's why.
Okay. Wait, what? What's fucked?
The shock.
Oh. Oh, what, are you pushing it up?
Yeah.
Oh god. Oh yeah, so we showed you the difference here. These are already lowering springs. This is gonna be dumped, bro.
Yeah.
You excited?
Well, I'm
You-
scared
you-
about this.
Fancy little stance boy.
I don't know what's gonna happen.
We still, you know what we need to do? We still need to do a video with your E90. He has the cleanest E90 there is, genuinely. Rokas, is this the moment of truth?
I guess so. I might have to lower it depending.
Lower it? Oh, she's low.
I could do with a bit, maybe a bit lower in the back.
Yeah, just a little bit, because you are a little bit leaning forward.
Do you have to take it all apart?
No, I'll just.
Well, how do you feel about it though? Like, now that you're really seeing it low.
I'm scared. I'm scared to drive it.
That's the stance life, Rokas. You got to accept it. If you'd seen his other car, you'd be surprised about the fact that he's saying any of this. So what's happened now?
So the belt is squeaking. I can't tell if it's because it's too tight or too loose. So I'm just gonna have to experiment a bit.
So, lowering the car has done your alternator belt?
No, I really don't know why it's doing that now.
I don't like being that YouTuber, but this is going to you. I want if anyone's made it this far in the video, I want everyone to be telling this dickhead to put an exhaust on this car, because it needs to be loud. Oh my god. Yeah, that back needs to come down. Right boys, what are we doing?
Hang on, has anyone got... hang on, point of reference. Hang on, 1 second.
Look at that. They are really pretty coilovers though.
Yeah, they are.
They are actually, they do look really good. Yeah. Look at the spring spinning. That looks trippy as fuck, I love it. This is such an artsy shot right here.
Yeah, Raucous, that's better.
It's still got a little bit of rake, but it depends on how you want it really.
No, I think I could get away with a bit more lows on it.
It's still very rich.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's perfect. Oh. Bro.
Imagine some fancy wheels on that.
I don't want to imagine. I want to see them. Bro, she is low, dude. Dude, look at that.
It looks bagged, no?
When you get that, then washes on.
Okay, so the last bit for the day. What are we doing?
Changing my steering wheel to E28 one. How the fuck do you take it off, by the way? Just yank it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nope.
Look at him go!
I had to use a fucking breaker bar.
Oh, Calvin's nice. That's the face of taking off the steering wheel right there.
It is the biggest, like, fear.
Oh! Okay, right. So for anyone else, a tip, which I tried to give. One thing you should do is leave the bolt on a few threads so that when it comes off, you're not going to smash yourself in the face like Raucous nearly did. So, I guess that was educational?
Right, this is going to be the funny part, wiring up the horn.
Yeah, you just sit here beeping with the MX-5 a lot.
It's hit the ground edges.
Stop!
No, it's got the right way around.
First
Stop.
try, we did it.
Ah!
Take the key out. Sorted.
How's that look?
Mate, it's so much better. I like how deep it is. Like,
It's got itself a bit of deep.
mate, that's a bus wheel.
So, got a nice little edit of the E34, nice and slant, you know, looking good. We're just going to go up to Blue Water now, because I want to take some shots of my car, because the last video that was uploaded was taken this morning, so I've now got to do a video after this one's filmed for the one that just came out. Yeah.